What's up, everybody? You're watching another airSlate video guide with the next tip on how no-code automation can make your day-to-day document workflows paperless and stress-free.
It's difficult for IT managers to switch between parallel tasks like maintaining authorization, onboarding and offboarding employees, managing and tracking technical equipment and requests, all while keeping sensitive data secure. airSlate's no-code automation allows you to run multiple IT workflows simultaneously while boosting process visibility and syncing data between systems. airSlate empowers IT specialists to strengthen their company's operating efficiency, reclaim time and resources away from routine requests and towards more valuable initiatives. Let's take a look at how airSlate does the heavy lifting so that you can focus on your goals, not manual tasks. Visualize your entire workflow by adjusting document access permissions and routing with the airSlate Workflow Builder. To begin, choose the flow or template you're working on or create a new one. After you've finished customizing the documents, start visualizing your workflow. Add and configure the essential workflow elements, steps, branches, and bots. Start by customizing recipient 1. Simply click the gear button next to it and rename it for your convenience. To adjust the access permissions for the document, select the gear button next to each document. When finished, click Apply. Then, reassign fillable fields to the step. Click Assign Fields below each document and tick the required fields or select all fields required instead. When done, click Assign to Step. Tick Revoke Access to disable access to your document when it's completed. After this, assign recipients to the step. You can add recipients from your address book, enter their emails, route them automatically by connecting to your CRM system, or choose a current user. You may also customize a notification message. If necessary, set up the execution conditions. For recipient 1, the conditions are set to occur always by default, but you may choose one or several conditions that are required for this particular step to execute. Go through the advanced settings if you want to create custom tags, enable email notifications and reminders, redirect recipients, and many more things. Once done, click Apply. You may add and configure as many steps as you need using the same method. Let's see what else you can do with airSlate. First of all, there are 2 ways of automating your document workflows. You can either build your flow from scratch by clicking the Create New Flow button, or choose one of the pre-built flow templates. Browse the flow template collection from your dashboard and pick the one that meets your needs. Then, set up your specific documents, workflows, and bots. You start by adding or creating documents and web forms in your workflow. You can create them from scratch or upload documents from your computer or cloud storage. Customize the docs any way you want. Add fillable or signature fields, assign recipients to them, and make fields mandatory or optional, and more. Next, visualize your workflow. Finally, automate your workflow by adding no-code bots. Use the bots to send reminders and notifications, pre-fill documents, transfer data, upload records to your CRM, and much more. If you want to use the flow more than once, you can make it a template. Just choose the Save As Template option when configuring your workflow. Once you set up your workflow, click Send so that the documents are completed by the right people. You can also send the documents via SMS, email, or create a shareable link to add them to your website. After your documents have been sent, use the airSlate dashboard to track their completion and all of the changes in your workflow. For example, you can see the status of your flow by opening the All Flows tab. Depending upon your role in the workspace and flow access permissions, you may have different options available. For example, you can download, send, and remove a specific document. View the bots log to check if the bots added to the workflow ran successfully, and if not, check the reason for failure. If you have any trouble using airSlate, go to the support portal or get help from our support team. Want to develop new skills and gain recognition? Click the link in the top right corner to take one of our free courses.
Ready to save time and money? then you need to click the link in the description and start your free 30-day trial of airSlate.